You all received these 10 frames in the package of what I gave you. Some of you have these little gemstones, some have pom-poms, some have Velcro squares. Whatever you have, they all work the same. So with a 10 frame, this is practicing with counting up to 10. And we can eventually work our way up into addition problems as well. But just to start off, we're going to practice counting. So you'll notice that I'm going to be sharing this 10 frame problems Google Slides with you. I'll be sharing that on Google Classroom. And we've got examples here of different numbers represented on the 10 frame. So we're going to start here with number 2, like that one is. So basically, you look at the picture and then we're going to recreate it. So we're going to go 1, 2, and make sure your child is counting or you're counting with them as you're counting out the numbers. We can also do, like if we're doing 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is helping them to start to get a number sense so they can see what the quantity looks like for numbers 1 through 10 and even 0. And then you can also do, like we just did 5, you can also represent 5 this way. So 5 can either be like this or it can be like that. So we're just trying to get them used to looking at what the quantity of the numbers looks like. And like I said, eventually we'll work up onto doing addition problems with this. So experiment around with it. And like I said, we'll have examples here where you can go through the slideshow and have your child recreate what is showing up on the screen. So there's 3, take those away, and there's our 3. I would wipe it clean though between each one so that you start fresh. So then you have to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're done with that one. Clean that up, go to the next one, 10. So then you would fill it up with 10, clear it off, go to the next one, 6. If you have any questions, just let me know.